can't be a maker. So whoever stand anywhere, you have like I said, you are polo, you have you become hypocrite. You become a hypocrite. What like I said, you are polo, you become a hypocrite. And to more friend, you are movie attempting as a phony. Me say, my point is clear. If you call for Kuapim Polo, say you are jailer, you become a hypocrite. Because my own say person within you some fall Bible say Quran say. But the question I'm asking you is say in opinion for na age or minor borono. Quran and Bible and kasan form one. So why is it say more for you guys also become celestial? And now say Kuapim Polo any power and now say Kuapim Polo atama odi endi matemuntino. You guys have decided say Kuapim Polo na mudi mwenye kwa kusimso. How many people have our politicians killed? What do you want that? Hey, how many people have our politicians killed? Our politicians have killed thousands and millions. Kaswa samubai asofo imam malam so bi eka ho asem ade ankwala ya ye enye efa hin kwesi hin obi eka ho asem because omunim se ankwala na moka kom ho asem a obi andi o matebuti o meka muti krom ha enipa etawu elections muti nka ho asem the ankwala ne ye no de hin na enwanwa what makes it surprise so makukum akwala ba ko 10 years eye mo nwanwa ba muti krom ama police ni soldier fo boni patu ye tenase aka within 4 years soldiers ni police aboni patu akun ye kan a omobu 20 e okrum ha any part soldiers ni police aboni to akun if you are to count within 4 years it is over 20 people. So those of you who are busy chanting say Akuapem Polo should go to prison, use the same energy and campaign say any part 29 ye kun mo ye bom nyina to akun mo okrum ha no. Seek for justice for them. So me, I don't give a damn. Akuapem Polo, this is what I mean, it surprises me. Akuapem Polo, Dana wo ye Dana o de picture ne beto abonti no. Ye na e kaseti aye. That very day in Akuapem Polo e take picture ne down. That day na no pacho said wo ye no anye ni. He showed remorse. No take picture ne down and wo pacho. No pa wo bia wo picture ne bia cho say picture no wo delete wo anye ni. We are say dia na fese wa ye boni na nipa nyina e kasa de oyi yenye na waji atum na wakasa ade a le enye dia na fese we Akuapem Polo e atum say dia ye na ma anye ni ye ntimo fa me boni nche ga mafo e ma ni delete picture no Akuapem Polo wa gogun obi ana muti kuroma. You see, some people were shot and killed in this election, and the excuse they gave when they said they were armed robbers. ABC, they went and stole ballot box. ABC, they went and snatched ballot papers. Sana the wise catcher said they snatched ballot papers. Yentu Krom had the same ballot papers na ABC or parliament. Joe Wise had into a man to uncle. So sometimes I depart 1 year, been your money process at this unnecessary stuff said by for the Anna necessary. Tell you, bro. Me, I don't talk about celebrities for one reason. I'm among the few bloggers who don't blog about celebrities. Say because of say what could release one no so I could hear them when you bring the muna me champion and me react. I don't have time for those things. Me I always need the big fish. So I case of one or mine or sell mine. These are the people I aim and target. Akuapem Polo ko inu ma kire ne ba e fam ho ben. Case close wa be pa cha odi ebiem. Human rights activists, whatever they are, they have no right to jail Akuapem Polo. That is what I'm telling you. They don't have any right to jail Akuapem Polo. What human right are they talking about? What child right are they talking about? Say, child right. And Kwalani Gukwa on a child right to be a cover more. They took room and you social welfare the Maya and Kwale Street. You will any arrangement the Magana Kwala. Say Ghana Kwala we are Wabafi, say near Bayano. Akwala Ben will future Ghana. See your cry. One when you have Akuapem Polo, you have your point is simple. Akuapem polo nkoku nipa boni na oye no wapacho se Ghana fo mpanyimfo atimi achi nipa kumomo enam ho firi a nya akuapem polo na mdum ani kosi ne so ya kwa ka yesi emrani nya aduma yesi nya aduma emrani ye aduma so a yesi yenja wo na ki yenja na kenye den se emrani be ye aduma it should start from top. If you want us to believe that they are lost in Ghana, if politicians still put them in jail, Bolivian work Akuapem Polo aya a change the Ghana opinion for their year. I'm telling you. Mupo biachina. Monkwachia you. Your friend saying Ghana opinion for Carlos Ahenkura. I wasn't a bonu tukunu. Carlos Ahenkura, he deserved some. If the laws of Ghana is fair, Carlos Ahenkura, Kewasi Adenoko firing squad, Kuboni Chukunu. Because the same reason, and the governing party, you say, yeah, brothers and sisters, you will lose all my lives, no? They lost their lives because they went and snatched ballot papers. The same crime was committed. The same crime was committed by a member of parliament. He's walking around free. In Timumo Malam, near Sofofuana, when you have say, Akuapem Polo Yenjili, no, Mon cannot correct. All of you are afraid. Munina Musuru said, Mukwaka MPP NDC Asamatu, Munina Musuru. So that is the number one reason why all of you are keeping quiet. So all of you are keeping quiet because you are afraid to say Mukwaka MPP NDC Asama on Bidimatem. To all of you don't have balls. You are not men enough to speak against what is going on in the country. Into mukonya case bi bana se case no. Ye hwene nipa ne yedi na tem na backlash bi amba eho e na hu Ghana sofo ni imamfo. We dia nye muntinitu. Do e ne nye yentinitu. Do e ne nye yentinitu. Tesa Akuapem Polo o ameriti one de yentinitu. So muti kroma na politicians say kum nipa day in day out and they are like muntini nka. Paul Mpechitapia Michiamo. Now, let me reply. Mommy reply discount any Maghreb. Discount any Maghreb. Every dose no more it goes in the same line. Now let me start from Biscout, especially Biscout. I love Biscout. I watch his videos. He's one of the bloggers I love, but I disagree with him totally. Say Akuapem Polo should be in prison for the sake of say Emrani Juma. I disagree with him. According to Biscout, I say Akuapem Polo he in whole social media. Now what Biscout only Kevin Taylor nya beef. Biscout ekwatena toilet so. Etre Kevin Taylor din egu toilet roll so. And I will yi. Hey. Charlie more kitchen, me ban TV freight me need them. The kitchen had also me prefer the bar. Who Biscout? I got na toilet so. Etre Kevin Taylor din to toilet roll so. And I would never to abonten the camera see you so. Na utwa to ebe kire biase nyina in the name of beef. So the Kevin Taylor din every power to. So what sense did you make? Or what did you achieve by making that? Utwa wo ho do to nyina ebe kire biase amansan na make the Akuapem Polo ye no difference be no. So Biscout, you can't talk about decency when you yourself you are doing so. We need the name of beef. When travel to the other two abonting the team rope paper to say what the Kevin Taylor doing paper to. So what decency are you talking about? To say Akuapem Polo is not decent. How will Akuapem Polo be decent when you need to TV so? Now a whole TV like UTV, you put Eddie Councillor Lutman when you bet net TV so no more finger on honey as for Ghana Hanum ye polo there were TV stations. I'm asking you these questions. Why are you guys pretending as if said you have Akuapem Polo ye who be that? Ghana had Yentiana Pono ye know Facebook Live. And then Akuapem Polo ya you do Kruma. Tell me. So what kind of hypocrisy is that? And who Margaret have so when you president Akuapem Polo should go to prison? Now do the question I am asking you, Margaret have say. Muti Kruma, Bonnie Baby because we need Hena Matiniaka. So if you guys, anybody tell me say Akuapem Polo should go to prison for the sake of Quran and Bible, then I'm telling you, say all of you are hypocrites. Because Bible no Quran na say penyini ye dia yenja no, say citizen kwa ye dia yenchini too. So if you guys cannot preach say penyini kwa ye dia, asofo ne malam fo nyina su. Asofo ne malam fo nyina su. Asofo ne malam fo nyina su. Say what my penyini be kwa ye obi asuru so kwaka. One hand na sorry asofo ayama. Or ya malam so usuru say politics dey okwaka. One we are not fully west no. E bia ba be di na them. So they are afraid to talk the truth. Until I'm starting na mu nkremo fo timba be di matem na mfi omo. Omo tim kwata omo page ye videos for me no time mpo. Because whatever I'm doing, I'm not doing it to favor you. I'm not doing it to serve your interests. I don't care much about you. Free so na me nya dia ko create page now so ye de obey. Me say me meka ntimi a me page no free so unfollow me. I don't have time for that. Eno kura no wo ha mo nka na hypocrisy. Ghana penyufo bo ni omu di nyina mo ti kuruma mo ti nka. Akuapem Polo je no ye. Even the worst part of crime me say before say any pana pa chaw wa apologize dem ye ne ma nye ni wa dileti dia biem ye ko twa me. For the sake of such child right to go Kruma. Child right to go Kruma. Akuapem Polo jale ba no ho ne. Child right for be hedo. Child right for akwala be na ma yina free street. Ankwala na ejira traffic mu. Yo mo ton niema wo moti so. Child abuse be the chance adam. I'm asking you, child right for. Ankwala ejira traffic mu ton apple distance. Ankwala that circle. Meba ebo what the kobo be se 12 fa wa wo tatu kwan anajo a wo dura anajo ebo 12 fa circle overhead na se hwe enkwala e dasie small boys small girls e bi ni nam 10 years mu enkwala omo da ta yase mo mo try right of one team ba bontin one day enkofa enkwala yi bi in free circle Akuapem Polo ye celebrity nti mo pay attention say try right nonsense. Mama try the papa be ne. O mani ye bre. Until some free some more child writer and some more child writer. Start from the street. So that we believe you say you guys are working for the interest of the country. But the modi ye no a fame and I'm open. Nothing else.